Understanding, Make It Right, a guide to common English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, make it right. It's a common English expression that you might encounter in everyday conversations, movies, or even music. Understanding such phrases is crucial for fluency, so let's dive in and make our understanding of English a little bit richer. When someone says they want to make it right, they are expressing a desire to correct a mistake or remedy a wrong. It's about taking action to resolve a problem or restore a situation to its proper state. This phrase often carries a sense of responsibility and ethical duty. Make it right can be used in various situations. Whether it's a personal apology, a business dealing, or fixing a simple error, this phrase is versatile. For instance, if someone failed to deliver on a promise, they might say, "I know I let you down, but I will do everything I can to make it right." This phrase can be slightly altered to fit different contexts. For example, "Let's make things right" could be a call to action for a group. "I am trying to make it right" indicates ongoing effort. "He made it right" shows that the action is already completed. Making it right is not just about correcting an error, it's also about rebuilding trust and maintaining relationships. It shows a commitment to fairness and accountability, which are highly valued in many cultures. Thank you for watching. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, make it right, confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, making mistakes is human, but making them right is a sign of character and integrity. See you in the next video.